Okay, you guys, so welcome back to another makeup tutorial on your girl Cindy's Beauty Glam. I just put on this cap right here. So I'm not gonna really glue it because I'm gonna get ready to go somewhere right quick. I'm always going somewhere every time I'm recording. But I just want to kind of film this look very quickly. And don't mind this one. I was gonna put it with latex, but I don't feel like I need to do all extreme. I'm gonna kind of walk you right through, guys, very quickly what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna try to try my best to imitate kind of like a she venom, but in my version. So I'm gonna do my best to kind of do it. If not, you guys know what happened with Pennywise. So let's see, you guys. Let's see, we can create it. I already did one on my brow because this one is gonna be covered with paint and stuff like that, and my whole face is gonna be covered in paint. So we'll see how I do today. Hopefully I do pretty good. I don't know, I'm kind of nervous, but okay. So from this eye right here, from this point on, I'm gonna use just an eyeshadow, regular eyeshadows, nothing it's nothing extreme. So I'm gonna get started with my since it's gonna be kind of like dark, I'm just gonna go in with this one with the NYX right here, and the color is gonna be almost nude. So I'm gonna go dip it into that color. So I'm excited to film this one because I haven't actually had like a character that is being like Pennywise. I was so excited to do it, and it apparently didn't come out. So let's see if this one comes out. And if not, I don't know, guys. So yeah, and if you guys are going on, make sure you this one is super thick. I got a thin one, but I'm not gonna use that one. Or let me see. So this one is the thin one that I bought. It is, look how thin it is, and you can tell this one is super thick. So this is the one that I did on the zombie a while back. I'm just gonna take it off and use this one and see how this one goes. So, ooh girl, oh my gosh, I'm excited. This one's pretty cool. And then of course you can always go with the actually glue it so it won't move anywhere. But as for me, I just did like a tiny ponytail on the back. So okay, you guys, it's good. It sounds kind of weird because I have my ears covered, so it looks kind of like, it sounds like an echo. So if I'm screaming, I'm sorry. If I'm talking very loud. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh girl. There's a moment of truth. A white eyeliner pencil. I have two just in case. With a white pencil, I'm gonna start creating the eyes, because this one's gonna be covered. This one's gonna be just like that, but it's gonna be the outline of it. Let me glue my eyebrows right quick. I'm gonna be using this one, the glue stick from eyebrows. I'm gonna get some of that translucent powder. So I'm gonna sharpen my pencil very sharp, so that way everything will come out smooth. My body paint, I'm gonna use a white one. I'm gonna go with this one. This is one of my new brushes, the one that I ordered on Amazon. And I'm just gonna, they're very good for body paint, like amazing they work, because they get a lot of the paint actually. So okay, I'm just gonna dip it there and just start kind of painting. We're just gonna let that air dry for the meanwhile while we do our other eye. But we're just gonna let it air dry so that way I can go with a second coat. And then before that, after that, I'm sorry, I'm gonna go in with a white powder just to kind of cover all of that. I don't know why it's showing weird looking in the camera, but in real life it looks pretty badass. So okay, now this is where we get exciting. I'm gonna go in with the black one and just retrace those lines right here stopped about right here. Paint all that black. And then on here on this part, I'm gonna have to kind of clean up a little bit with the white because since I forgot that it was like all black, so I'm supposed to not have everything there to stand out a little bit, right? Okay, there we go. All right, and now I'm gonna go in with a super red one. Let's hope it comes out. If not, we can use the other paint as well. This one, you don't want the lines too skinny because I mean venom is like the gums are a little bit thicker. I'm just gonna leave the texture in there because I mean it has like a weird texture on him, so I'm just gonna leave it like that. Oh, what did you guys think? Is it coming out? Oh yeah. Let me just kind of stretch the paint a little bit more that way, so when I go like this, in this, it like at least far like that. It's all the way to the bottom. Okay, I'm gonna make like a gigantic oval right here. Okay, so that should be good, right? So now we're gonna go in with black paint, and this is very scary because if I mess up, there's no turning back. This one right here to just kind of get the outline of it. It's like the scariest thing I have ever done. If you can get them good, it's better to go in with black lipstick and make sure it's dry before I go in with the second layer. So I'm gonna go in with my matte black. This one is from Maybelline. It's called Pitch Black and it's 845 the number. Go in with my Rimo Stay Matte. This one, and it's a black one as well. Just kind of tap on my lips and just let it air dry. I'm just gonna wait for a few minutes so everything can air dry, and then I'll start drying the teeth. And while it's still like kind of still air drying because it's not completely dry, I'm gonna go in, draw some a little bit of lines like if it's taking over my whole eyes. With the leftover of the excess from the paint, I'm not getting any more paint just to make them a little bit more dramatic, more thinner, more faded the lines. I'm just drawing like whatever lines in here, and it starts giving you that type of so. Like so, and you see how it's like, oh, it looks pretty cool. So let me get a more thinner one because this one is actually from once it gets right here, it's very hard to get the line, so I want it very thin. So I'm gonna go jump into my finest brush that I have. Where is it? Okay, so I'll just use this one because I don't know where I have the other one. Or you know what? I think it's this one. Okay, so no, it's super thick. Okay, so let me use. Okay, I'm gonna use this one right here. On the bottom, I'm gonna go in with a second layer and just kind of tap very slightly, so anything won't like erase or so. I'm gonna start drawing the teeth. I'm gonna use this super weird looking one. This one is actually reflecting the background, but it's okay. It's a green one, and even the brush is reflecting. So okay, so now I'm gonna draw the teeth, and I'm gonna use two paints. It's gonna be the yellow and the white because I don't want super white teeth. I wanted a little bit of the yellow, like dirtiness. So just press and then just let the brush do its own because I was just dragging it. So like press, and there you go. And every time wipe your brush so you want it perfect. So press and then yellow and make them a little bit tiny dirty. Like so. Now we're gonna go in with a little bit of brown, very little, to make it old teeth, like they've been through some rough time. Go in and paint the rest of my body in black so we can finish this look. With this one, I'm gonna kind of do some lines with the white. No, let me get a thinner one. I'll get this one, the thinnest ones. Okay, and then for my eye, to make it a little bit stand out more, I'm gonna cut in a regular napkin. So I got it a little bit better. So you're gonna kind of aim it down. I'll just put very, very little. You can, there you go. You can tell, but very, very little of the latex. And then I'm just gonna add it on the edges. Just tapping it. Oh, girl, I like this look. With some white paint on the edges to kind of blend it a little bit right through. Cool. Guys, it's very hard to see from one eye, okay? So if you guys are doing it, make sure you guys don't mess up the makeup because it's gonna actually stand out. And then right here, we're just gonna go in so you can give it more of the reflection, can stand out. So you can kind of blend everything together, like the eye with everything else. Alright, you guys, so this is my Venom, my creation of it. I didn't go all the way to the cap because I mean I just wanted the front. But if you want to do all dramatic from the back, you can definitely do so. So this is it. Thank you so much, guys, for showing me support and love and everything. Thank you. Love you guys so much. This is my body paint, my work. And if you guys want to create this look, make sure you follow everything I do so you can get a amazing look. I actually like this. I don't think I want to take it off. Okay, guys, so that's it. Love you so much. I love you guys. Thank you for your support. Love you. I can't stop saying I love you guys. But now let me turn off a little bit. Ooh. Let me turn off the other one. I'm getting excited. Oh my gosh. Ooh. But that's it, guys. Thank you. Love ya.